everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color letter S, like a snowman. Let's start drawing. First time I'm drawing the capital letter S. Drawing a cute snowman. Please subscribe to channel. Let's start coloring. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, pink color, color.
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with
Orange
me?
Color, pink color,
A B C D
red color,
E F G H
orange
I
color,
J K L M N O P
yellow color,
Q R S T
green
U
color,
V W
blue
X
color,
Y and
black
Z.
color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.